Even in today's Tibet, although the air is thin, the love is not thin. Like all Tibetan creatures with strong vitality, the sport of football also runs through the hearts of the students who love it. It is not only a term, but also for the competitors. Said, it is a symbol of honor, an emotional cornerstone for football love. In the world of football, all love and cheers, sadness and tears, regrets and losses are related to it. This is our hope for this football magazine, a way opening persistence and a kind of local emotional watch. It starts with love.